We'll guide you through how to apply audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once your project is open, go to the Fairlight page by clicking on the music note icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the audio magic happens. In the Fairlight page, you'll see your audio tracks displayed on the timeline. To apply effects, locate the mixer panel, usually found on the right side of the screen. If it's not visible, you can enable it by going to View in the top menu and selecting Mixer. In the mixer, identify the track you want to enhance. You'll see an Effects section. Click on the small plus icon to open the effects library. Here, you'll find a variety of audio effects like EQ, reverb, and dynamics. Click on an effect you want to use, and it will be added to your track. Once added, you can customize the effect by clicking on its name in the Effects section. This opens a detailed control panel where you can tweak settings to your liking. For example, adjusting the EQ can help balance the frequencies, making your audio clearer. You can stack multiple effects to get the desired sound. Just repeat the process to add more. Remember to play back your audio regularly to hear the changes in real time. If you wish to remove an effect, simply click the X next to its name in the Effects section. Applying these effects can significantly enhance your audio quality, making your project sound professional. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.